Have you ever pondered how businesses measure their efficiency? One method that consistently rises to the top is cycle time, a crucial metric that can make or break a company's productivity. But what exactly is cycle time, and how does it work?
I'm Todi. In this video,
we'll dive into the concept of cycle time, a crucial metric in project management that measures the total time it takes to complete a specific task or process. Through practical examples, we'll simplify this often misunderstood term and help you understand its importance in effectively managing your projects. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell to know when I upload new videos, like and share to help others learn for free as well. By all means, share your thoughts and comment below so we can all learn from one another. Do check out my other channel, Todi Gem, for culture, cuisines, and smashing hangouts. Now, Gem, let's dig in.
Ever wondered what the difference between cycle time and lead time is? Pondered upon these terms while managing a project unsure of their true meaning? Well, it's time to clear up the confusion. Firstly, let's delve into what cycle time exactly is. Imagine a process, any process. It could be manufacturing a product, or perhaps completing a task within a project. Cycle time is the time it takes to complete one cycle of that process. It's the stopwatch that starts ticking when work begins on a task and stops when the task is ready for delivery. It's about efficiency, speed, and productivity. Now, shift gears and think about lead time. Lead time is the total time from the moment a request is made until the product is delivered or the task is completed. It includes the waiting time before the work even begins. It's like a calendar that starts marking days from the moment a customer places an order until the product lands in their hands. It's about the customer's perspective, their anticipation, their wait. So to put it simply, cycle time is about the process, while lead time is about the customer's experience. Cycle time is the heartbeat of the production process, while lead time is the rhythm of the customer's journey. But how do these two distinct concepts intersect? Well, they are two halves of the same coin. They both deal with time, but from different perspectives. Cycle time is a measure of operational efficiency, while lead time is a measure of customer satisfaction. Both are crucial in project management, yet serve different purposes. In essence, the key differences between cycle time and lead time lies in their focus. Cycle time is about internal efficiency, the speed of the process, and the productivity of the team. On the other hand, lead time is about external satisfaction, the customer's wait, and the efficiency of the entire supply chain. So, next time when managing a project, remember this. To increase efficiency, focus on reducing cycle time. But to improve customer satisfaction, concentrate on minimizing lead time. Because in the grand scheme of things, it's about balancing the internal operations with the external expectations. It's about striking the perfect harmony between cycle time
and lead time.
And that, my friends, is the essence of successful project management.
Picture cycle time as the heartbeat of a business, the rhythm that keeps everything in motion. It's the total time from the beginning to the end of a process. In other words, it's the time taken from when work begins on a task until it's ready for delivery. To illustrate, consider a bakery. The cycle time for a loaf of bread would be the time from when the baker starts mixing the ingredients until the loaf comes out of the oven, fresh and ready to be sold. Now, why does cycle time matter? Well, it's a clear indicator of efficiency. The shorter the cycle time, the quicker tasks are completed, meaning more productivity and potentially more profit. But it's not just about speed. Cycle time also provides an opportunity to spot bottlenecks, identify areas of improvement, and streamline operations. Let's say a software development company notices their cycle time is unusually long. Upon investigation, they find that the coding phase of their projects is taking much longer than expected. This knowledge allows them to focus on improving this specific area, thus reducing the overall cycle time and increasing productivity. Output. However, it's important to note that a shorter cycle time isn't always better. If tasks are rushed and quality is compromised, customer satisfaction could plummet and the reputation of the business could suffer. Therefore, it's crucial to find a balance between speed and quality when optimizing cycle time. In summary, cycle time is a measure of the time taken from the start to the end of a process. It's a critical metric for gauging efficiency, identifying bottlenecks, and improving productivity. But remember, it's not just about speed. Quality should never be sacrificed in the pursuit of a shorter cycle time. Output. So, the next time you wonder about business efficiency, think about cycle time. It's the pulse of productivity, the rhythm of results, and who knows, understanding this simple yet powerful concept might just give you the edge in your next project or venture. After all, time is money, and in business, every second counts.
Sharing is caring. Care for others. Share this with someone or on your timeline. Let them learn from you.
Have you ever wondered how to measure cycle time in Agile? Well, today we're diving into that very topic, exploring 3 popular methods: Scrum, Kanban, and Jira. To start, imagine Scrum as a race. The cycle time here is the duration from the starting gun, when a task enters the sprint backlog, to the finish line when the task is completed. Measure it in days, not hours. And remember, it's not about speed but consistency. First, identify the task. Then, move it into the sprint backlog, marking the start of the cycle. The task is then worked on during the sprint, progressing through various stages of development. When it's done, it's moved to the done column. The cycle time is the total number of days the task spent in this process. Measuring cycle time in Scrum helps teams understand their velocity and improve predictability. Now, think of Kanban as a flowing river. Items float from one end to the other, and the cycle time is how long each item spends in the river. To measure cycle time in Kanban, first define your workflow stages. Once an item enters the workflow, start the clock. When the task is completed and leaves the workflow, stop the clock. The total time taken is the cycle time. This method provides a clear visualization of work in progress, helping teams optimize their workflow and improve delivery times. Lastly, we have Jira, a tool that automates cycle time calculation. Jira tracks the time from when an issue is moved from to do to in progress, and finally to done. To measure cycle time in Jira, first, create a new issue. Move the issue to in progress when work begins, and to done when it's completed. Jira will then automatically calculate the cycle time. This method offers teams real-time insights, helping them identify bottlenecks and improve efficiency. In summary, Scrum measures cycle time from sprint backlog to completion, aiding in predictability and understanding of team velocity. Kanban measures cycle time from workflow entry to exit, assisting in workflow optimization and delivery time improvement. Jira automates cycle time calculation from to-do to done, providing real-time insights to improve efficiency. Each method has its unique strengths. The choice depends on the team's needs and work style.
Today, we have discussed how cycle time differs from lead time and learned strategies to optimize processes and reduce bottlenecks. Drop questions and topics you would like more insight into in the comments section. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for new uploads.
Also watch the video on performance reviews and objectives and key results OKRs and key performance indicators KPIs in the description below.
Remember, the goal is not to race against the clock, but to improve processes and deliver value consistently. Now, equipped with this knowledge, go forth and optimize those cycle times.
Thanks for watching.